In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Google Services. Now choose All Services here. Scroll one more time and this time hit Autofill with Google section to continue. Scroll one more time, tap on Google Password Manager and click on any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen log. Tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!